This is the YouTube fast food reviewer, and today we're reviewing the Triplelupa from Taco Bell. This is the longest shell ever. Triplelupa features the 3-in-1 tear-apart crispy mini chalupa shells filled with 3 flavors of double seasoned beef paired to a regular chalupa. Each shell has seasoned beef, and then on one end they've got different flavors: nacho cheese, chipotle, and then a combination cheesy chipotle in the middle. And it's hard to tell which is which. See here, this is the chalupa shell, mini shell, then this is the seasoned ground beef right there, and then there's some sauce. Not tell which flavor that is just by looking at it. There's also some shredded cheese, some lettuce, and then some tomatoes as well. It looks like this is probably the spicy one because it's kind of orangier there. You can see there's some sauce there. There's evidence of which sauce, different sauce, middle sauce, and nacho cheese sauce. For my detective skills, that's nacho cheese, and then that's going to be the chipotle, and that's nacho chipotle, or yeah, the nacho cheesy chipotle in the middle. All right, let's see how it tastes. It's really beefy. You can tell different creamy. Oh, see that? A little bit of crispiness on the. Oh, yes. Smell not juicy. That's still. That's super warm. I give Triplelupa Taco Bell. That's all. Just stop my YouTube channel. More fast food reviews.